The Chute at Clear Creek, Colorado. Clear Creek is Beer Creek. Blue skies met us with a perfect temperature for a wetsuit. The screaming never stopped as the assault grabbed us. We were blasting through the tightly packed rapids of the Chute in this pot of adventure gold. Rapids one after the other, after the other, after the other. The captain was drenched and couldn't breathe. The frozen water began running 2 hours ago from the tops of the Rocky Mountains.
Clear Creek becomes the beer we love, dear.
The torrent wound its way down the chute, the beer supply echoing off the rocky barriers. Emotions ran through every muscle fiber in our bodies. Each turn held more rapids of congestion and danger. What will we face next? Well done, team. Well done. The Chute at Clear Creek. Win 3 gold.